Hi viewers, and welcome back to the channel. Do you know that you can make a lot of money from land at Ejusu Krapa in the Ashanti Region, Ghana? Today I'm here to show you how you can make a lot of money from land banking. So let me take you to the tour before I show you how I bought this land 10 years ago and what's the actual value of the same land. Just have a look at the land I'm talking about. This land, I bought it 10 years ago. When I bought this land, this place was bushy. But today, as you can see through this video, you can see many houses around this land. I bought this land at 5,000 Ghana cedis. So I'm inviting you, or I'm guiding you to invest in land in Ejusu, especially in the Ashanti region, because one of the best thing about Ashanti region is Ashanti region develop very quickly, very fast, and the cost of living here is very low compared to other regions like Greater Accra now. So if you want to make a lot of money in 2 years, 3 years, I would advise you to buy a land and keep it. That is called land flipping. Or you buy the land and you start farming on it, or you can buy the land and build 2-bedroom house on it and start renting it out. Or the best way to make a lot of money is to buy the land and keep it for 5 years or 6 years, depending on your project, and sell it at higher price later. For instance, as I said it earlier, this land cost me 5,000 each, but today the land at this residential area costs 150,000 up to 250,000 Ghana cedis, depending on the location. So let's imagine after 10 years we have at least how many percentage is times, I think it's times 10